I have a question for you. Why do people seek out a physical therapist? Why do people seek to go to have physical therapy? I want to spend a few minutes today talking to you about this because I feel that having a perspective around this can really help in many aspects of your business, especially in marketing and attracting clients and patients to your practice. Some of the things that we think people want are really our own beliefs and our own biases of what we think people want, but they're simply not true. For instance, I bet that if it was up to you, you wouldn't go see a surgeon to have a surgery just because. Right? It doesn't make any sense. Like, why would you see a surgeon? No, the reason you see a surgeon to have a surgery is to get something you want. It's not the surgery itself. And the reason that people come to see you is not because of a particular technique. It's not because they want to get poked with needles or stretched or go on machines and get moved and all that. It's not any of those things. If it was up to us, we wouldn't do any of that. But the reason they're seeing you is because there's a solution. There's a goal. There's something that they want to achieve. And what they hope is that you and your knowledge and your skills can help them achieve it. So why is this important? Because it sounds really obvious, right? Well, sometimes we get caught in trying to, persuade or sell people on a particular technique that we do, or how much education we have, or special certifications we have. And that's nice, but that's not what I would think you would want to lead with, because ultimately people want to know, why should I go see you? Are you going to help me get what I want? If I'm a basketball player and I'm unable to play basketball because I have an ankle or a knee or a hip injury, what do I want? I want to return to play basketball. And there's lots of possibilities that will help me return to play basketball. So what I'm interested in is, can you help me return to play basketball? Now, if the answer is yes, then of course you'll have your way of doing it. You'll have your methodology or your system and how you do it. You'll evaluate them, and then depending on your expertise, you'll apply some different things that you've learned. But that's all secondary. The primary thing is, can you help someone return them to what they want? And if you can do that, and if they trust you and believe that you have the credibility to do it, maybe you've helped other people, so there's other social proof or testimonials, then they'll go see you. And too many times what I see people doing is promoting all of the what's called features of their business. They're promoting the hours they have. They're promoting the particular certification or techniques they have. But without answering the first question of why should I see you and can you help me get what I want, the second question and the third and the fourth really don't make a lot of sense. So it's something to think about. It's something to consider. It's something to look at your website or what you talk about when you talk to different people in your community. Are you making sure that you're explaining to them and answering the question, what can you do to help me get where I want to go? And if you can do that, and you can build that trust and that likability, then you're going to generate a lot more patients. Something to think about. If you'd like to leave a comment or you have a question, feel free to leave it in the comment sections below.